Hello and I welcome you to Talk with Adi. Today I will tell you about the top 10 tools for computer vision. The adoption of computer vision has steadily picked up the pace over the past decade. Due to COVID-19, this sector has increased exponentially, whether it is a project for knowing the face mask detection or to calculate the physical distance between two and many persons. So basically it is implemented in a field like healthcare, security, management. So without wasting much time, let me directly jump into the top 10 tools for computer vision. So let's start. So here first one is OpenCV. So any video on computer vision is incomplete without OpenCV. It is a great performing computer vision tools and it works well with C++ as well as with Python. It is pre-built with all necessary techniques and an algorithm to perform several image and video processing tasks. It is easy to use. So one fact about it, it is a multi-platform allowing you to build application in Linux, Windows and Android as well. So let me tell you about this drawback. It get a bit slow when working with the massive data. Now it's time for second one, that is MATLAB. It is a great tool for creating image processing and is widely used in research. It allow quick prototyping. Fact that MATLAB code is quite concise as compared to C++, making it easy to read and debug. It tackles error before executing by proposing some way to make the code faster. So its drawback is it is a paid tool. Okay, it's a paid tool and also it can get quite slow during the execution time. Okay, now guys, it's time for third one, that is aforce.net or accord.net. You will be really excited to know that you can even process image with C# and .net. So yeah, this is all because of aforce.net. It's a good tool that has lots of filter and it's great for image manipulation and different transformation. One fact about it, it supports filter capability like edge detection and many more. So it is simple to use and all you need to do is to just adjust the parameters. So it have some drawback. One of those is it does not possess the power and capability of other tool like OpenCV and advanced motion picture analysis. Okay, so now it's time for the fourth one, that is the most interesting part of it, that is TensorFlow. So it has been gaining popularity over the year owing to its power and ease of use. It let you bring the power of deep learning to computer vision and has some great tool to perform image processing or classification. You can make use of the Python API to perform face and expression detection, and you can also perform classification here. But its drawback is that it's extremely resource hunger. You need to have a large amount of data and information, and it can even devour a GPU capability in no time. So guys, here comes the next one, that is CUDA. It's a platform for parallel computing invented by NVIDIA. It enables great boost in computing performance by leveraging the power of GPUs. As you know that NVIDIA is best known for its GPUs. So if you have large images to process that are GPU intensive, you can choose to use CUDA. So but it has some drawback, that is it is extremely high on power consumption and you will find yourself a reformulated for memory distribution parallel task. So guys, now it's time for second one, that is Simple CV. You have heard about OpenCV but may not about Simple CV. So it's a framework for building computer vision application. It gives you access to a multitude of computer vision tools on the likes of OpenCV, Games, etc. It can be your start in computer vision. If you don't want to get into the depth of image processing and just want to know how the things goes on them, it can be best tool for you. So but it has some drawback, which is that suppose if you are intended is to use in a heavy producing environment, you can't expect it to perform on the level of OpenCV. Next one, that is seventh one, GPU image. It is a framework or rather an iOS library that allow you to apply GPU acceleration effect and filter to an image. So here comes the most interesting part of video, that is the tools provided for computer vision by some tech giants. So that is Google, Amazon and Microsoft Azure. So let's start from Google Cloud and mobile version. Google Computer Vision enables developer to perform image processing by encapsulating powerful machine learning models in simple REST API that can be that can be called in an application. And what about mobile vision? Mobile vision let you to detect object in photo and video using real time on data vision technologies. So here comes the another one given by another tech giant, that is Amazon Rekognition. So it's a deep learning based image and video analysis service that make adding image and video analysis to your application just as simple as eating dal and rice. So this service can identify object, text, people and many more things. So this uses basically Amazon Deep Lens, or many products are there given by Amazon where you can perform computer vision in just short span of time. So now it's time for the last one, that is Microsoft Azure Computer Vision API. So it's quite similar to its peer and allow you to identify or analysis image, text in them, and analyze video in near real time. So that was all the top 10 basic tools for computer vision. Hope you enjoy. Apart from that, there are something like SkyPy and NumPy library which you can refer. And hope you guys understand the concept, and do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.